Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review. This time on a Lumintop Tool AA flashlight. Comes in this box, or should I say case, and I was sent this by Lumintop. They do have an Amazon store, so let's open this up and see what's in. Comes in this nice little carrying case here, it's pretty nice. And we'll open that up. Does come with a lanyard here, and that's a nice sized one. Does come with a diffuser here. Take it out here. We've got an extra set of O-rings here. We have the user manual here. Okay, now according to this, you're going to get about 550 lumens on high. We're using a 14500 cell, which I will be using. And that's the user manual here. It does have a warranty card there, of course. Alright, so let's take a look at the light. And this is a nice little storage case to keep it in. Pretty nice, especially when traveling. And you got a nice quality clip on that. A lot of knurling here on the ends and in the center. Keep that a good grip on that. Tail clicky. Very nice style and design. And this is running a smooth reflector there. This is running the XP-L LED. Very nice, beautiful finish on this. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it up. I'll show you the springs here. Well greased on the threads. There's the spring. Go ahead and show you the head of the light here. Straight contact point on that. Well greased on the threads there too. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and use a 14500 cell. These are one of my favorites here from eFest. Unprotected, this is 700 milliamps. A lot of power behind this. Does real well in my tests. We're going to put it in. We're going to go through the light outputs here. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Now the UI is real simple on this. You turn on the light. Now you can half press to go through the light outputs, or you can full press. Okay, we're going to go through, show you the beam pattern on that. Really nice hot spots. Relatively large, a little bit of a bleed here, and the spill is nice. Very nice light output on that. Man, that is bright. Man, that's a lot of light coming out of that. Alright, well the UI is pretty simple on that, but let's go ahead and show you it with the diffuser there. Now it does have a little indentation there. You're only going to put it on about right there, and it won't come off. It's pretty sturdy on there. It's not going to fall off, so that's nice. So now we're going to show you the outputs here on this. And look at that. Look at how bright that is. It's just like a little table top lamp. Really nice. Incredible. And the nice thing about this is it glows. Very nice. So if you set that down, you can see it's glowing. You'll be able to easily retrieve that in the dark. Now it's only going to glow for a short amount of time, but just to let you know what it does. So let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the little Lumintop AA tool. And we're going to go ahead and turn it on. And it's making 15 to 20 feet with these. It is faintly making 38 feet there, as you can see. Show you the beam profile here on the fence. Alright, we're going to go to the next level. A little bit brighter on that. Remember, I'm using a 14500 cell on this. And faintly making, real faintly making that tree of life. Alright, we're going to go to the final level here. Very impressive. Wow. And it is faintly making across that park. Look at that. Very nice. Fence line, tree line. Nice beam profile on this too. As you can see now, it's making that tree of life even better. Lights it up pretty good, actually. Very nice. Okay, well, we're going to end the shot over here. Okay, so now that we got the Lumintop diffuser on, just wanted to kind of go over the light outputs here and put it out of the range of the camera here, so and you can see the different light outputs with the diffuser on. It's a lot of light coming out of this. Look at that. Everywhere you look, and I'm holding it just above the camera, easily seeing around. Makes an excellent area light. Look at that. Ground is very well lit up, as you can see. Incredible. It's amazing. And of course, we'll end the video of the Lumintop glow. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Well, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed those night shots on this. This thing is in a very nice everyday carry light. It's got a lot of light output. The diffuser helps out a lot if you're going to be using it camping. Set that on a table. It will tail stand. And you have some 360 degree lighting, and it's diffused enough where it's not going to hurt your eyes too bad. Very nice on performance. Build quality is top notch. I'm not seeing any issues with this light. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, they do sell these on their Amazon store, and they are going for just under $18. And I want to thank Lumintop for sending me this to review. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these type of everyday carries to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.